bouncy shoes or the mystery Mousetool? Do you think we could use the bouncy shoes to row the boat?
Nah, they won't work.
Oh boy, this means it's time for the mystery Mousetool. Everybody say, Mystery Mousetool!
Mystery Mouseketools!
Today's Mystery Mousetool is ping pong paddle. But do you think we can use ping pong paddles to row the boat? Yeah, it looks like we can. We picked all our Mouseketools. Say super cheers!